The 1965 Shelby Cobra MK3R by Superformance is a masterful blend of classic design and modern engineering. This MK3R model, finished in Lamborghini Gaillo Inti with GM carbon flash center stripes, pays homage to the original Shelby Cobra while incorporating contemporary performance enhancements. With its aggressive styling and powerful engine, this Cobra is a true collector's item. Under the hood, the MK3R is powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter Ford Performance V8 engine, delivering an impressive 760 horsepower. This engine is paired with a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual transmission, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. The car's independent rear end and four-wheel disc brakes ensure excellent handling and stopping power. The MK3R's performance is further enhanced by its electric cooling fan and adjustable suspension. Wheels and tires: 18-inch knockoff. Wheels: front Continental Extreme Contact 275/35 R18, rear Continental Extreme Contact 330/30 R18. The cockpit of this Cobra is absolutely amazing. The interior is finished in beautiful black leather along with yellow stitching. The interior features bucket seats, single roll bar, leather-trimmed center console, glove box, leather dashboard, door pockets, charging port, and push button. Start. On the dash is a 3-spoke steering wheel and black Superformance digital gauges,